What's the meaning of cougar? Cougar. Cougar.
Cougar. Cougar. The term cougar often refers to an older woman who seeks younger men for romantic relationships or sexual encounters. It can also be used as a derogatory term to describe these women, implying that they are predatory or solely interested in younger partners for their physical attributes. The use of the term has been subject to debate and criticism due to its sexist connotations and the double standards that exist between older men and women who date younger partners.